Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to deposit money to Charles Schwab. Now there's multiple ways to fund your account. You can fund your account through wire transfer. I'm going to show you the instructions shortly. Of course, through an account transfer, you have to use the transfer account form, right? So you're basically going to be transferring your cash securities from an account at another financial institution, or you can send a check in US dollars to the following address. Okay, this is the address. You can pause and type it down or write it down, right? Now, these are the instructions for the wire transfers. You can get it on their website. You can just come and search this up. Instructions to transfer money to your Schwab account. I'm going to show you for US dollars. And this is the information you need. Destination bank, bank AP account name, account number, the bank address, and for further credits too, you can go and look at this. Now, you can go ahead and pause the video at any point in time and get the information for the other currencies, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. And if it is any other currency not listed here, right, call these numbers. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.